Exercise. This is from the exercise 4.1 and this is for class 10th. So the exercise 1, the question exercise 1, question 8 we will take. So what exactly the question is, x to the power 3 minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, so before proceeding this this question, so let me just highlight this question. So basically the question that we have written over here, so this is the question. In this question, what we have to prove? So we have to prove whether this equation, the given equation, is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, so how we can prove that? So first of all, you will see here what is the given here. This let's assume this is a and this is b and the minus symbol will be. So first of all, we should know what is the formula of a minus b whole cube. So tell me the formula. We have a cube plus b cube minus 3ab, then
a plus
b. So this is the formula that that we are going to use to compute the to solve this one. So without formula you cannot solve this. First of all, you should have the formula. Okay, now we have written the formula. Now we will come into the calculation part. So we have computed here x3 minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, we substitute this value, x cube. This is equal to, when we do the cube of this one, minus 3 into what is the value of this one, a is x, and then we will have here b, value of b is here 3, but b is 2 here, and what is the value of here, x minus 2. So now we will solve x cube for 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, so this is equal to x cube, so the result will be 8 here minus 6x and here x minus 2. So x cube and x cube we can simply cross that one. Okay, so after this one the result will be 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, after that we have here 8 minus 6x x minus 2. So what we do, we will multiply this to this one and this with this one. So 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Okay, so what we will do, we'll bring this one that side. So this is equal to minus x square, this is equal to plus, so the value here is 2x square. So you will see here this is plus here when we go here, so this is 13x. So this is minus 7 is equal to 0. So we after solving this question, whatever we solve, after solving this one, what we conclude here, we conclude that the equation that we have written, it is converted into this form. Okay, so now we know we have what is the definition of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So where a, b, c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. So the above equation will satisfy all the conditions. So we can say this one is a quadratic equation.